Do you want to add multiple links to Instagram bio? You can put clickable links in Insta profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add multiple links to your Instagram bio? First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Tap on the Edit Profile button below your bio section. A new screen will appear with different options. On the Edit Profile screen, tap on the Links option. Here, you will see different options. Tap on the Add External Link from here. Now, enter the first website link in the URL box. After entering the link, tap on the Done button. To add another link, tap on Add External Link again. Paste your second website link in the URL box and save it the same way. Repeat the process if you want to add more links. Once done, tap on the Done icon at the top right of the screen. Your Instagram bio will now display multiple clickable links, and visitors can tap on any of them to open your websites or pages.